today we're doing another camping vlog, so why don't you just come with us? And I haven't done a camping vlog in a while. Okay, we're leaving right now, and we're gonna play with my dog one last time before we leave. I gotta say hi, bye to my cat real quick. There she is. Hi, Raina. Oh, okay. I miss you too. I literally forgot to tell him what campsite. Right now we're PineLand, which we've been here before. How many times, right? Like, I think one time. Yeah, we should have rented a golf cart. Damn. But yeah, I'll show you some photos about PineLand. It's actually not that bad. The thing is, it doesn't really have a lake. It only has a pool. But we're gonna tour around real quick, and we're gonna go. The next clip you see me is. The next thing you see us is us when we're in our campsite and us unloading our stuff. Okay, so, oh my gosh, that is so dark. We just came back. Right now we're almost set up. They're fixing outside real quick, doing whatever. I think we're gonna walk around after this. Yes, please. Oh yeah, where are we going? The park? Okay, we're gonna go change real quick so I can go hang out in the pool, which must be nice, so I can't swim. Let's just go change. Lighting is kind of bad. We just came back from the pool. It was not that bad. It was pretty fun. All in all, I just sat there and just read my book. But I did finish Hunted Darcy Coates. I gave it 4.5. It was actually really good. We're getting ready for the night, and we're mostly just gonna be just laying down, eating right now, and that's pretty much it. I'll get you guys back at night. What? Close the door, you guys. So I think that wraps up for day one of staying here in PineLand. I think today was actually pretty fun. I finished my book. I went outside. I played in the pool, kind of. But that wraps up for day one of staying in PineLand. I'll see if I'll make a day two in PineLand vlog, but I'll see it. But yeah, that wraps up for today's video. Bye.
But first, let me take a selfie.